Hello everyone, it's me Sato again from Mirko Cosplay, and today we are finally back with a new cosplay tutorial, and in this one I'm gonna show you how I made the main bodysuit for Mirko from My Hero Academia. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future, and without further ado, let's do it. As always, I started with the pattern, and for this I taped the customer in tapes and drew on the desired shape, cutted it out and transferred it to some pattern paper. And here are all the pattern parts. In the next step I transferred everything to the elastic fabric. The front has 3 white parts in total and the middle was folded over. It is kinda annoying that the stretch fabric curls over the edges. And the back part has just 2 white parts. This big purple piece gets all the way around the bottom later on. And these curved parts are for the armhole. The small piece in the middle is for the neck area. I start by sewing the front side parts to the middle piece. Now that this is done, the seam gets folded inwards, followed by a top stitch. By the way, I finally have a new sewing machine. And this is a finished seam. The next step will be sewing the back parts together up to where the zipper starts later. After this is done, the front and back gets sewn together at the shoulders. Here I'm gonna sew the sides together. You can do this step later if you want, but I did it so the fabric stays in place. Now it's time to sew the purple neck part in. It goes all the way from the front to the middle of the back. The neck parts gets then folded over the edge and sewn in place with a top stitch all around. And this is how it looks so far. It's now finally time to sew the zipper in on the back side. After the zipper is in, I start working on the arms, and for this I sew the purple parts on the short side together. This ring gets then sewn on in the armhole of the main body. And here also it will be then folded over the edge and sewn in place. We can now begin working on the lower part. Here I gonna sew the middle back parts together, followed by a top stitch on both sides for a nice seam. Now it's just a matter of sewing this part onto the upper right body part, and don't forget the top stitch. The bottom crotch seam will now be sewn together. For the next step we're gonna fold the leg holes and sew them with an elastic stitch. And for the last and final part of the basic body, a golden fox leather moon gets sewn on right on the chest. And it's now time for the final review. So this was the tutorial. I know it's not good, but it's okay in my opinion, and if you want you can leave a comment down below what you like, what you dislike, what I can improve on this channel, or what you want to see in a future video. And also I have still the question video up, so give me your questions and I will answer it soon, because we are, I think, 2 subscribers missing to the 500, so yeah, stay tuned for this one. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. This helps me a lot, keeps this channel growing and the videos coming. And also give this video maybe a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and until then I see you in the next time, in the next video. So stay tuned for this and have a great day, and I'm out. Bye.